दोस्तों नमस्कार, मेरा नाम विनोद तिवारी और मैं अहमदाबाद की धरती से बात कर रहा हूँ। लेकिन इम्पॉर्टेंट ये नहीं है, इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि इस वक्त में नई लिस्ट जो आई है उसको देख करके मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। आई एम रियली सो हैप्पी and would like to convey heartiest congratulations to all the newly selected regional mentors of change under the visionary Atal Innovation Mission by NITI Aayog. So here I would like to congratulate all the ladies and of course all the gents, all the people who are coming from bustling cities or from quiet villages, all the people who are holding a PhD degree or they are having a real life world experience, all the engineers and all the scientists, all the professors, all the faculties, entrepreneurs or business leaders, all the industrialists, all the change makers. Guys, we all represent one mission to ignite innovation in young India. So big salute for your decision to support for this noble cause without any personal interest, voluntarily. So congratulations once again to all those 125 RMOCs on the list. Now, I'm so happy that my Gujarat also got new set of deserving RMOCs and I would like to congratulate all of them. There are so many Raj in my list. Now, dear friends, the road ahead is very exciting but also filled with responsibility and purpose. Well, let me tell you, there are few personalities and good friend of mine who has been enlightening this path since last 7+ years. You're right, 7+, around 2018 we all started. So I would like to name all those RMOCs who are here from the first batch. So I have tried to list all the old RMOCs alphabetically, and still guys, if I have left someone, please excuse me. Here is the list: Miss Abinya Inbamani, Mr. Ankit Rajak, Mr. Anant Bhaskar Garg, Mr. Anshu Dixit, Miss Asavari Shriposkar, Mr. Ashwin Srivastava, Mr. Ayush Kesri, Mr. Alok Chaudhary, Mr. Chhagan Lal, Dr. Ashish Mittal, Mr. Deepesh Goyal, Mr. Dhanpat Raj Dhariwal, Mr. Gauridat Sharma, Mr. Kiran Kumar, Mr. Londe Arvind, Mr. Manikant Roy, Mr. Naveen, Mr. Prashant Nair, Mr. Raja Shekhar, Mr. Rajit Nair, Mr. Ritesh Shyam, Mr. Sabin Sani, Miss Shelly Srivastava, Mr. Srinivas SG, Mr. Sundaram Sheshadri, Miss Viji Sridhar, and myself, Vinod Tiwari. So I am very honored and feel proud to walk alongside of such a diverse, dynamic and dedicated group of people from across India. Guys, our goal is bold this time and we are going from 10,000 to 5 times labs in these coming years. So this growth is not just a scale but it would be a revolution. And this time the time is great because not only the central government but state governments are collaborating very deeply. The vision has become national but the action has to begin with us. So we have to inspire curiosity, we have to fuel creativity, and I would like to praise the efforts of the team of AIM who is doing a phenomenal job because let me tell you, it's a great example of good governance. You know what our Prime Minister says, because we have a very small but very powerful team. Mr. Shubham Gupta and Mr. Suman Pandit, they are the people who are doing a great job and I would like to clap for them. You are doing great job. You are handling the whole nation, 10,000 labs, and it's not so easy. And they both are under the supervision of Dr. Deepali Upadhyay, the program director. She is doing a great job. And I would like to say thank you to all of you guys for supporting all of us and, working under too much pressure. We know that what is going on at the top level. Anyways, so we have been so privileged to experience the leadership of various mission directors, starting the first mission director, Mr. Ramanan. After that, Mr. Chintan Vaishnav. And now we would like to convey our heartfelt thank you to our new mission director, Dr. Deepak. So guys, once again, I am so excited and super happy to work along with each one of you in any of the state, with whatever capacity I can support, and let's see that if we can meet each other, support each other, and grow each other, right? So Jai Hind, Jai Innovation, and my message is that let's mentor, let's build, let's lead. Thank you.